Come in. Oh.
You knock, then you wait for someone inside to say come in.
Come in.
So this is Gommer.
I'm Gommer. Niffle. And, on account of he said I'm too stupid to manage. At what? Yeah. Try and slap me right across the face. Go ahead, see if you can do it. Wasn't ready. Try it again. Try and slap me right across. All right, all right. Wait. Let me count to 3. 1. Look at that dog. Okay, come in. Pockets? What? I want to punch you and hurt your face. You should have used your words.
Okay, Gommer, you got it?
You got what?
The plan.
All of it?
Yes, all of it. I've told you 3,000 per year, because Goomer's never gonna understand this plan.
Want to see my big toe? So why do I want to show you my big toe?
Because something's wrong with your head.
Yes. How am I related to the goat? Oh, hi. And I live here.
With us.
With them.
And he's 27.
Yep. You want to see his ID?
They don't need to see his...
I got it right here in my pants.
You don't need to show them your ID.
Here it is.
Well, thanks for swinging by.
Oh, shame. I'm Uncle Fudd.
Gommer.
Bad dog. Can you explain it to me? I got one.
Okay, Goom. Sam and Cat are in charge. You do what they tell you.
KK.
I'll be back tomorrow to watch you win the biggest fight of your life.
Yay.
Be good. Love you, man.
I love you.
Oh, Gommer. Are you feeling emotional?
I'm just so proud of his hair. Why did I do it?
Now you can have a nice big sandwich.
Thank you.
No, Gommer, stop!
So what do I do with this one? Might have got some mouth juice on that.
Hey, there's a good booth.
Isn't this a cool restaurant?
Yeah. But why do they call it bots? It's a red man from the future! Get under the table! Because they probably killed all the people waiters.
Ah! I took a pic of your knees. It's just a menu, stupid.
Those sound good.
No fried pork fingers. Dice's email said Gommer's only allowed to eat healthy foods.
Well,
The robot coming!
Hello.
It's okay. I got you.
Gommer.
Wait, I'm supposed to take my medicine.
You still can't see anything?
Not really. No, I can't see nothing. No.
Oh, a big...
I don't want to go back out there.
Yeah, you do.
I really don't. You listen. You can punch me in my face, and you can kick me in my niblets. But you will not make fun of my little friend's beautiful, beautiful hair.
In the pool, but they're pulling
You can do it!
almost out back in the pool.
They put...
That's silly.
Bro, he is sinking.
It's funny because he's drowning.
All right, bye, guys.
Later.
Thank you for the lovely evening. Well, maybe you shouldn't stole her bibble to make Cat get mad at Sam. Painted your motorbike pink so you get mad at Cat. Whole friendship as revenge for what you did to them when you got your $500 back at the bingo game. Thanks. Can I play with the giant mice?
Yeah. So Gooms.
Bye.
Yeah.
Here we go. Bye. What the nuts?
A cat was supposed to be studying.
Yeah. Andrew's. What did he say?
I think he said, Ukadish Valayets pa Falik Deku.
So,
We got there early, so I bought a popcorn and cuss in front of Miss Cat. That's a farm stool. Hush. I bet Nona knows why you have blue hair.
What are you doing? You locking them to the door?
The apers.
Take a whiz.
Or a Shaz.
don't go.
Hey!
Wait, stop! Don't you go!
It's just old pink hair.
All the crazy hair.
Find it disturbing. Where would I go to release my urine?
I'll show you.
Look at Bieber's abs.
He must live at the gym.
I don't.
I told him to be here at 11. Said I beat him.
Say nothing. Let's see if he notices our hair. Hey, John Zacapa. In the head area? Yes, man. He didn't say anything about our cool hair.
It's okay. Later we'll get ice cream.
Yeah.